Today we have another niche natural perfume by Elkhaldi Perfumes. The guy is Mahir, the perfumer is Mahir, brother Mahir from Palestine. And I will pray for all the Palestinian people. They are really, really bravest people on the planet Earth. So here we have Tobacco Pacifica, and this is a natural niche perfume, so the ingredients are always difficult to procure, get. So this is Greek tobacco, cardamom, leather, New Caledonia, sandalwood, Thai, and Hindi oud. I'm not sure what Caledonia is. It might be a flower. It seems like a flower to me by its name. So let's spray it out and find out what it has and how it actually evolves. Oh, it has some, it actually starts dripping on my skin. Powdery start. It's kind of like, it's again a little bit of tingling in my nose. It is that kind of scent profile. Makeup vibe is there. Yes, makeup vibe is there. A little bit of refreshing makeup kind of start to me. I'm not sure why I am not getting any cardamom over here. Cardamom is there, but it is, I think, playing with green tobacco, Greek tobacco. So tobacco knot is a little dry kind of green leaves over here. Now it is getting a bit better. In the start, it was kind of like powdery to me. It's getting refreshing because of cardamom and tobacco, I think. I'm not sure what Caledonia is. I think it might be some floral. It is a very, very different scent profile. It is going in totally different direction. I haven't sniffed anything like this. It is kind of like light floral, refreshing, light green, and I would say rounded, light brown, woody kind of perfume. And it has some, cola effect in it. It has some fizz also over here. Kind of like refreshing, light green, light brown. Light brown I'm saying because the base is going maybe sandalwood and oud, they are playing some role, giving it the stability over there. Overall, it's a very, very different perfume. Scent profile is a bit different, and I really admire this one because this one is Tobacco Pacifica. It really is something like refreshing sea. Maybe you are, visiting the sea breeze at the night time. So it has some, thickness and some saltiness in it, some sweetness, some breeziness, something refreshing, something green. So that is all. I think this is how I would describe it. Let's try to dry it a bit more. It is very different. It is refreshing. It is not in your head or in your nose kind of perfume. It is going to be a bit calming. It has calming effect. The refreshing note, whatever it is like trying to uplift your mood. It is really good. This one is very good perfume. I would really praise the combination. How this whole thing is playing out is very, very lovely. Okay, so Tobacco Pacifica. Now I'm going to give it some of the numbers and some of the scores, and I'm going to give it 8 out of 10 for scent profile. Very unique scent profile. And power, I think performance would be average 6 to 7 out of 10 because it is a natural perfume. You have to bear in mind that natural perfumes actually perform very low on the frame because they have mostly natural ingredients, and they are not going to last, because chemicals, they actually last and last and blast in the air, but most of the naturals, they are going to stay low, closer to your skin. I'm not sensing much leather, not on my skin, but it has a very refreshing light makeup, sweet cardamom green, light green, kind of breezy kind of feel to it. Maybe it's Thai oud that is playing with green tobacco and cardamom. Very, very lovely profile. I'm going to give it 8 out of 10 for scent profile and 6 to 7 for performance. So this is my review about Tobacco Pacifica from Elkhaldi Perfumes, and I will see you soon. If you have used any of the Elkhaldi perfumes or you want to purchase one, you can there's a link in the description below in my video, and you can purchase from there. He has a Facebook page, and he doesn't have a website yet. Facebook page and a page or forum Oud Addict. So I will see you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.